Oh yeah, Kathy.
Whoa! Now we get the music.
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah. Beautiful.
I get better colors here, Kathy.
What?
I get better colors here.
Yeah.
From the up there.
Yeah, that's true. There's also colors down here, the green and the pink.
Yeah, I get all of this.
Wow.
I like that part. The fuzzy part.
Yeah, I like the fuzzy part too. I've never seen that. Beautiful. Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
This is the finale. It's even better.
Yeah, it's much better.
Yeah.
Depends on the music, Kathy.
Yeah.
It's programmed with the music. So which things open and which thing closed depends on which music notes. Oh, look at this.
Yeah.
That's something?
Yeah.
It's like the Moses parting the Red Sea.
Yeah, the blue sea.
Parting of the sea.
Parting the blue sea. Or green, whatever color it is. So nice. This is great.
Fantastic. I was here last year.
You saw the same show?
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow. Isn't that something?
Yeah.
Look at this.
Yeah.
Each time is a different rendering, you know?
Yeah.
Ah, wow. Wow.
Like
What a
fireworks.
climax.
It's like fireworks.
Yeah, like an orgasm. Wow. This is a better video than before.
Yeah.
Because it's a nice opera aria.
Whoa, that's nice.
Wow. Wow. Last time there were so many people here because there was a motorbike festival.
Ah,
All the bikers were here.
funny.
You know how high this goes?
Hi. Several meters.
There's Catalonia, Palace, Museum, the fountain. I think the music stopped, huh? The music stopped.